If you have opened this video, there's a definite 90% chance you are wondering which sex toy to buy. Lucky for you, I have an answer. Hi guys, this is Forum and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I did a haul in here, but today we're doing a different type of haul. We are diving into a topic that deserves all the attention and none of the shyness. Intimacy. And 0 points for guessing, but I'm doing my very first sex toys haul. But why, you ask? Because it's 2025 and it's time we normalize conversations about pleasure, self-love and intimacy. These topics are important and there's no reason to shy away from exploring what makes us feel good. Also, let's be honest, we all deserve a little fun and excitement in our lives, right? Whether you're flying solo or spicing things up with your partner, these toys are here to add that extra zing. Disclaimer, by the end of this video, you may be tempted to buy them all. There, I said it. Oh, but wait, I have an announcement. Drum roll. Hold on to your sheets, people, because the Great Indian Pleasure Fest by Love Depot is here. And this haul is just a sneak peek into the hottest deals. With up to 60% off site-wide, happy hour deals from 4 PM to 6 PM, which means buy one get one for those 2 hours and more exciting offers for Pleasure Saturdays. So if you have been waiting to explore, there's never been a better time. Haha, is it hot in here or is it just my products from Love Depot? Speaking of hot, these goodies are about to spice up your life in the best way possible. Okay, so I ordered like a bunch of goodies from top brands and retailers from Love Depot, which is India's largest pleasure superstore. Tested some of their products and reviewed their shipping processes. So whether you are on a mission to find a new vibrator that checks all the boxes or are just hoping to secure one of the best sex toys for couples, you can put your trust in Love Depot, which I can confirm ship discreetly. So first up, we have Score Waves. Now, this isn't just your average vibrating ring. This one's designed to take your intimate moments to the next level. So the dual loop enhances his performance, while the vibrating tail is designed to stimulate her pleasure spots, delivering mutual satisfaction. Wow, this bad boy looks really sleek. It's got multiple vibration modes. So whether you are in a mood for something slow and romantic or a little bit more adventurous, it's got you covered. It's super soft to touch and it's made from body-safe silicone. And the vibrations are designed to enhance the experience without being overwhelming. But let's talk about what makes this bad boy different. Most vibrating rings are a little, well, basic. They've got like 1 or 2 settings and that's it. But Score Waves, it's like having an entire playlist of sensations. And get this, it's completely waterproof. You can take the fun to the shower or even the bathtub. If you're looking for something versatile, easy to use and something that delivers, this is definitely worth adding to your collection. Normally it's for 2,000, but during the sale it's yours only for 1,700. Now I know some of these topics may be a little uncomfortable to talk about, and there's a lot of taboo about sex in our country, or rather like in our world. But I want to make this a safe space to talk about it. And let's be honest, it's a part of us. It's how we all are here, aren't we? Anyway, moving on. Next, we have got the Quickie Cuffs. These are for anyone who wants to try a little bedroom bondage without the makeshift or a complicated setup. They're silicone, super easy to use and soft on the skin. And wait for it, they're actually portable. You can toss them in your bag and no one will have a clue. Soft and comfy and no keys required. Perfect for beginners who want to explore this without being too intimidated by it. And hey, like I just showed you, they are quite stretchy too. I think these are perfect for someone who wants to try something really new or just want to live up to their 50 Shades dream, if you know what I mean. This one's priced at 2,199, but you can grab it for just 1,869. Alright, let's talk about the Shorts butt plug. This one's for all my adventurous folks out there. It's smooth, made from body-safe silicone, and has a tapered design for easy insertion. Pretty self-explanatory, I suppose. Plus, it's perfect for both beginners and pros. If you've been curious about anal play, this is a great starting point. Also, just remember, always use a good quality water-based lubricant, either from Score or Mischief, for maximum comfort and fun. Because trust me, nobody likes a dry adventure. This is originally priced for $1749, but with the sale, it's slashed down to just $1487. A deal so good it's almost naughty. Next on the list is Crave. Who knew pleasure could come in such a cute package? Guys, this is an absolute game changer. It's cute, it's rechargeable, and just look at it. Minimalist and so chic. This is the kind of toy you'd proudly display on your nightstand or could even like carry in your purse. Isn't this just so cute? Oh wow. This has some serious oomph. It has a 360-degree stimulation feature, ensuring that no spot is left out. It's perfect for solo sessions or to use it even with a partner. This thing is tiny but mighty. It's like that one friend who's small but can totally like out party everyone. It's actually one of the most popular massagers on Love Depot, by the way. You should totally get this now during the sale where you would get it for just $2,999 only. It's absolutely perfect for beginners, and oh, it also comes with a remote control, which means Crave will let you enjoy pleasure anytime and anywhere. Sounds pretty fun, no? I am so excited to show you the next product. We have a super tech-savvy and app-controlled wearable massager. Okay, so imagine like you're at a party or like having a quiet dinner and you wear this down as an accessory and having this little secret just for you and your partner. It adds like a whole new layer of excitement. This wearable app-controlled vibrator is perfect for people who love to keep things a little playful, adventurous, and spontaneous. So let me like break it down for you. Smooth Petal Connect is designed for ultimate flexibility. This app gives you like a full control to customize vibrations, sync it with the music, or even let your partner surprise you with settings you didn't expect. It's all about creating a deeper connection no matter the distance. Even if you are like miles away, you can literally hand over the control to your partner. Long distance couples, this is your new best friend. Whether you are on a video call or just texting, your partner can take control and spice things up. It's the perfect way to keep things fun and intimate when you are not physically together. And let's not forget, the design is super sleek, it's discreet and high-end, so you can easily leave it out on your nightstand. Plus the app has tons of features. It's like having a customized pleasure experience in the palm of your hands. So cool. MRP is $12,499, but hold on, Love Depot has got your back, bringing it down to $10,624 only. And that's what I call a steal. Now we have the Ollie 2. It's a dual action vibrator just like the Smooth Petal Connect, but with a more budget-friendly price tag. It's got all the same great features like the app control, customized vibrations, and the ability for your partner to take control, whether you are next door or on an opposite side of the world. With Ollie 2, you get to experience the same level of intimacy and fun. Whether you want to like give access to the desired person or set up surprise vibration patterns or just give control to your partner. So just wear it down there. It's got you covered using the security feature on the app. Long distance couples, Ollie 2 is here to bring you closer no matter the miles between you. It's like the perfect, affordable, tech-savvy toy that's sleek, discreet, and easy to use. This usually sells for $7,999, but in the sale you can get it only for $6,999. So that's my little haul, you guys. Sex toys are all about exploring your body, your desires, and adding some spice to your intimate moments, whether you're solo or with a partner. Love Depot has such fantastic collection. I have linked all the products in the description box below. Go check them out now and find what works for you. And hey, before you go, don't forget to check out the Great Indian Pleasure Fest on Love Depot with 60% off site-wide, happy hour deals, buy one get one from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and Pleasure Saturday surprises. There's literally no time better to explore your adventurous sides. Trust me, these deals are so good. They'll leave you more excited than, well, you know. Go click that link and treat yourself. You deserve it. And hey, remember, there's no shame in the pleasure game. Let's break the stigma and have these conversations openly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun, fearless, and fabulous content. Until next time, stay curious and stay fabulous. Bye.